Early birthday present. What a masterpiece. The PS5 Portal. Finally, I got mine as well. First time I'm trying it. Hopefully, it works the way I want it to work. But the reason I got this because sometimes, kids are sleeping. I can't be making any noise in the room. I respect my kiddos' sleep time. So having one of these is perfect because I can have a quick game, quick COD, quick FIFA, and enjoy my little time with this masterpiece. The reason I got it is because I'm going on holiday soon with the family, and I'm gonna want to be able to play my COD, my FIFA games. That's all I play, COD and FIFA, the best games ever. You want to know how it works? You turn it on, you connect it to Wi-Fi, and then you connect it to the PS5 console, and then all your games from your PS5 console will appear on this. You got a big screen, and it looks quite decent, to be fair. So let's open it up. This side, see, this is the box. That's how it comes. Of course, I think there is something else in there. What's that? Oh, yeah. As you see, the box is really well made. Really nice box. So if you don't want to scratch it or drop it or damage it or let it get dusty, leaving it around anyway, you can always put it back in the box after you finish playing with it. It's a nice decent box. You got the PlayStation signs in there, or PlayStation icons, and that's the box. So that is just a little card box that protects that from getting damaged. It's pretty cool. Like the box. Good start. Got a little cap there so you don't struggle to open it. Oh, there it goes. That's the charger. I was right. It brings a charger. But that's about it. Brings the charger just like the way when you buy the PS console, PS5 console, it only brings a charger, well, and a controller. Little screen, not TV, little screen. Let's open it up. Oh, look at that. That is sick. By the way, if you are worried getting scratched or dropping it, breaking the screen, anything can happen to it if you drop it. To be fair, it's quite light, really nice. It's quite comfortable to handle. It's like having a controller but with a screen. It's not awkward to hold it. It's literally quite simple. And you got a little card box on the screen. Sticker, you take it off. That's to protect the screen. Beautiful. The good thing is that now they're selling all the protectors, the handle protectors, screen protector, everything. You can cover this whole thing up so you don't get worried damaging it if you ever drop it. I'm gonna have to get some because I got kiddos. If I leave it around, distract myself, they're gonna grab it. Boom. No more PS5 Portal. Know what I mean? When you have kids, the little kids, they're interested in anything. So don't leave it around if you got kids, because they will want to give it a go. And they're not gonna play the way you play. They're gonna play throwing around, putting water, that type of stuff. But yeah, you can buy protector for this. Soon I'm gonna buy my one, but at the moment, just got it, and I'm gonna try it out. Really nice. There's a button to put the power on. Got speakers. Thing you can plug it in. Yeah, there. For the charger. If you've got headsets, you connect it into that one there on the side, just next to the charger. Let's turn that on. See if it's got any charge. There it goes. It comes charged. That's a good thing. So you don't need to stress about it. Put it to charge and wait to charge. It already comes charged for you. It's loading up. There it goes. Oh, it's quite loud. I am Spanish, but I'll put it in English. Make it easy, because I know English as well. That's my second language. This is my first language, but I'll put it here in English. Set up internet connection. You see, it's asking you for internet connection. I got my one there. Hold on a second. Don't know the password, so I'm gonna go get.
A few moments later.
Got my internet password here. I got the PS5 console on, because at some point I'm gonna have to connect to it. That's it, ready to connect. That's the longest password ever. Set up internet connection, connected. Update the system software for the PlayStation Portal remote player. Download. Of course, agree, confirm. Now it's loading up. Gonna quick queue it. Connect to the PS5 portal. It's taking a bit long to download the software. It's updating. Got the headset here. Of course, that doesn't mean I'm gonna stop using my PS5 console because of this, but yeah, I would try to be using both. You know, this one's only if I'm going on holiday, on a long trip, and I want to get on COD and FIFA. You know, put a controller here, put a PS5 console. But that's just one of them. Got the other one here. I've got two. 3 now, but this one is upgraded. It's not fully charged, but at least they give it to you with a bit of charge, so you can be able to set up. The system software update will complete once the battery level reaches 50. Oh, there it goes. Didn't even read that. My bad. You have to be on 50, otherwise it's not gonna work. Okay, let's put it on it. That one. It's not point using both of them, you know? It's all the same. That's the charger that was inside the box, the new one, but this is the old one. This came with my console, PS5 console. So we're gonna have to put it to charge. As it says there, it will complete the update when it's on 50. Now it's charging. We need to let it reach to 50 so it can continue the update. It's a long process, but you'll get there. It's all set up now. You can see I'm on COD, Black Ops 6. Looks quite sick, to be fair. To find a match. There it goes. That's it. So set up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it can help you get yours.